email listing creation possible with your blog. Email opt-in lists are very important. They provide you a legitimate way to keep in touch with your customers, not to mention a way to ensure that you don't lose them to the competition as well. Subscription software. Choose the best software that will allow you to automate the registration process for would-be subscribers. Once you have this up and running, visitors of your blog can automatically opt in to your email list even without your physical supervision. As the settings for these programs are configurable, it's up to you to choose whether approval of subscriptions would be automated or manual. Offer and link. Use an attention-catching image or decorative text when inviting people to join your email list. Be sure to place it in a prominent area of your homepage. As for other pages, just choose a spot where it's highly visible and which you could maintain for your entire website. As for the link, just keep it simple and remember to make regular checks in order to ensure that it's always in good working order. Call to action. Since building your email list is your current goal, it's best to end every blog entry you write with an invitation to join your email list. Your call to action for now should offer strong encouragement on joining your email list. For an effective call to action, just keep your sentence short but powerful. Use action-packed words and, if possible, try creating a sense of urgency with your words. Deadlines. Speaking of urgency, one way of making people even more aware of the need to join your email list is by offering an incentive with it. This can be special discounts, membership privileges, or free ebooks and the likes. Whatever you end up offering, just remember to place a deadline on your promotion. With the clock ticking, your blog readers are sure to experience just how necessary it is for them to avail of your offer. Benefits. Besides those incentives you've mentioned, there must also be other benefits for a customer to enjoy once they do sign up for your email list. Explain to them what you hope to accomplish with your email list and how they'll benefit from it at the same time. Signing up with your email list, for instance, will allow them to receive regular updates about the latest additions to your blog. They may also be able to receive newsletters containing special members-only data. Safety and confidentiality. Another way to encourage people to sign up for your email list from your blog is by giving them the assurance they need when it comes to safety and confidentiality. Purchase and register for what you need in order to provide your customers a secure platform for the registration process. A secure platform is one that keeps customer data safe from getting hacked. As for confidentiality, you should also give your solemn word not to share any information they submit with other parties. Overall improvement. Of course, the real clincher is your blog itself. If you consistently work on providing the best content for your blog, you're giving them the best reason to sign up for your email list. If you don't prove to them that there's something to look forward to in your blog, they will never think there's any reason for them to join your email list.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.